Check out what we just traded for right here at the Trading Post. 2015 ML350, guys. It's got the 20-inch AMG package on it with the running boards. I'll give you a slow pan around it. No major dings, scratches, towing package, power hatch. We've got it here at our Conover location. Let's take a look on the inside. It's got the cross roof rack on top with navigation. It's got the fancy pedals, memory seats, Harman Kardon stereo. Again, this is a local trade right here to the Trading Post. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit. Guys, we have a program for everyone. Check out my website to apply, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information and we'll go to work for you. 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML350 with lots of extras here at the Trading Post. Trading Post is family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, a gorgeous 15 AMG ML350 Mercedes here at the Trading Post, 828-464-0600, or again, tradingpostcars.com to apply. You're going to love it here and you're going to love our Mercedes. Call us today before it's gone.